Every financial institution is dealing with the same math problem. 70 cents of every IT dollar goes to keeping existing systems running. That leaves 30 cents for everything new. For AI, for modernization, for staying competitive with fintech disruptors. We call this problem run the bank versus change the bank. And right now, run the bank is running away with the win. The reason is fairly straightforward. Fragmented infrastructure compounds maintenance costs. Every system, every tool, every vendor adds overhead. That's the multi-platform tax, and most institutions are paying it every quarter. The result? Tech costs at major banks are already rising 4 times faster than revenue. The budget gets consumed before innovation even walks in the door. You can't fix this by adding AI on top. The foundation has to change first. And that's where platform consolidation matters. VMware Cloud Foundation brings compute, storage, networking, and security into a single environment. Fewer silos, less overhead, more budget left for the work that moves the business forward. The target is a 50-50 split between maintenance and innovation. That's not an aspiration, that's what competitive looks like. Forward-thinking enterprises are making the move to VMware Cloud Foundation because it provides the consolidation, automation, and zero-trust security needed to slash maintenance costs, protect against AI-specific threats, and accelerate AI deployment. The goal isn't to stop running the bank, but you can't let it consume everything you have. Fix the foundation first. Everything else gets easier from there.